Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre for an update of tonight's conditions. Now it's been a cloudy day over Limpopo, the Lowveld and along the eastern coastline. There was some light rain in places over those areas as well. And as the day warmed up, thunder showers popped up from Botswana all the way through to the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Here we can see a couple of intense thunder showers also developed later on in the day, extending from the northwest into southern Gauteng and even reaching parts of northern KwaZulu-Natal. Now for this evening, we're going to see further thunder shower activity in that region, but later tonight, gradual clearance will be taking place. Things will dry out over Gauteng as well. Over the far eastern parts, on the other hand, moisture will continue moving in from the Indian Ocean, keeping things cloudy, and there will still be a chance for a few drops of rain in places. Mainly clear over western South Africa, although we could still see some fog developing along the west coast overnight. On Monday, another cloudy morning over the eastern parts, especially for the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment. Drizzle likely once again. And in the afternoon, thunderstorms will be isolated over Gauteng and some of the surrounding areas. Central and western South Africa, on the other hand, mainly clear and dry. Another sunny day expected for the Karoo. And there we can see a weak cold front just about to clip the southern tip of the continent later on Monday afternoon. Now back to tonight, and there's that chance for light rain along the east coast as well as the adjacent interior. Similar conditions for the Lowveld. Could still see a few light showers in places over Limpopo. Scattered thunderstorms on the other hand for Gauteng into the northwest as well as in Mpumalanga's high-veld areas and once again down the Drakensberg Mountains. Very isolated as we head into the central parts of the country, and we're expecting a dry Sunday night for Bloemfontein. It's been a windy day along the Eastern Cape coastline, and we've seen wind speeds exceeding 50 kilometers per hour. And although the winds won't be quite as strong overnight, we're still expecting fresh northeasterly winds across that area. That will continue well into Monday afternoon as well. Here we can see the wind shift indicating where the cold front is tomorrow, and we're expecting winds to be picking up along the west coast as well later tomorrow, becoming fresh to strong at times along the Namaqualand coastline as well as into Alexander Bay. It's going to remain quite cool over the eastern high ground of the country overnight. Lower teens expected for those areas, 11 degrees into Bethlehem. Elsewhere across South Africa, it's generally going to be quite warm with mid to upper teens expected for most areas. Now tomorrow afternoon is going to be another scorcher for the Northern Cape interior. Kimberley gets to 36, while Uppington should reach 40 degrees Celsius. Very hot for Graaf-Reinet in the Eastern Cape as well at 35, while it's going to be cooler over much of the Western Cape, 26 for Cape Town and only 22 for George. Somewhat warmer conditions expected into KZN. Now looking ahead to Tuesday, and we're still expecting thunderstorms in Gauteng, and we'll see isolated thunder showers popping up across much of the Northern Cape. And Wednesday is expected to be cloudy, cool and wet along the Eastern Cape coastline, while Richards Bay should remain dry. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.